From the moment you have a space to call your own, it becomes a canvas to express who you are and how you aspire to live. FLOR can help you create a space to live in with style you can't live without. Each rug is made up of individual carpet tiles with non-slip backing, and holding it all together are one-sided adhesives called FLOR dots. Our modular design allows every rug to evolve with you, whether that means surviving toddlers or the occasional Cabernet mishap, or even just plain, everyday indecisiveness. FLOR puts you in complete control so that you're able to design without limits and with the earth in mind. Because our rugs are made from recycled materials, and we've worked hard to make sure they are manufactured with renewable energy and recyclable too. We keep millions of pounds of carpet out of landfills each year, so when it's time, our Return and Recycle program gives your floor new life, turning your old tiles into a beautiful new rug. Whether at home, work, or the places in between, FLOR offers endless options to inspire you. Because if you can dream it, we can help you create it.